Hey guys, we are at our new shop and it's really bright so I can't see very well. I just want to take you guys in for a look and show you what we have here. So we're in Tipton at Rebel Candy and Karma's Nature. Grand opening today. So how cute is that? We're located at 124 Main Street in Tipton, and there's a lot of stuff going on today. So they have vendors set up all down this road. So right here on Main Street. There's more down here, it's just that I can't see it from where I'm standing, but down there by Horton's they have a lot of vendors. So let me take you guys in. So, hold on. Hopefully I keep signal in here.
From Orlando to Massachusetts on the 5th of July with their 3-year-old French bulldog Darcy. When they noticed the dog was in distress, they took her to a pet carrier, saw that his gun.
And some of the stuff we have.
With an oxygen mask, a small oxygen mask, and effectively, the dog is doing fine now. Post one of the owners.
Cute purses.
Shared a Facebook post. Quote, "We all are affected by cabin pressure and oxygen fluctuations, even canine and feline, etc. But the fact that the attendants were responsive enough to handle the situation."
Look at this. It's really cute.
There you go. Have a good day. Thank you.
As always, the Taylor PCs. Siri, pull the check wizard.
Calling
Uh-huh.
Josh Taylor of Taylor PCs.
Cute purses. This is my favorite shirt. I'm gonna have to buy that. It's got nice stock of men's clothes also. These are all men's clothes. Hats. And check this dressing room out. Got the settee in here. I brought that from my house. It's not for sale, but it's really cute. So it just looked like it needed to be in there. Have this. This opens up. I just did another piece also. I have this piece here. It's really cute. And then this one is my favorite. We just got this done. How cute is that? All the jewelry. Got my thing up finally. There's Tiffany. Got this all back here too. All that jewelry there.
What color do you think she would like? Probably the purple.
So yeah, come check us out. Soaps, of course.
She has really
Have this. I feel like I'm missing stuff. So much stuff to get on here. I think I got everything up here already. So I'm gonna take this outside. But I just want to tell you guys, I didn't want to talk too much in there because we had so many customers. So we opened at 9. We're open, I think, until 6 today. So definitely come check us out. 124 Main Street in Tipton. Endless stuff to do. Lots of vendors set up out here. So definitely come make a day of it. Bring your friends. Good prices and good finds. So come check us out. I'll talk to you guys later.
It's not bad out where I live. Yeah. I mean, you know, because